Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining solving linear equation. So what basically is linear equation? Over here we will write chapter 6. So here we will write chapter 6.2 linear equation. So linear equation means we have to solve the letter or calculate the value of the letter in the equation. For example, if we have x plus 13 is equal to 27, we have x plus 13 is equal to 27. So the value of x will be x is equal to 27 minus 13, which will be 40. So the value of x will be 40. So this is how we will calculate the equation in order to calculate the value. Another equation is if we have 2y brackets 2y minus 4 plus 4y plus 2 is equal to 30. So we will expand this and like this, 4 with y and 4 with 2. So 2y minus 8 plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 30. So 2y plus 4y is 6y minus 8 plus 8 will be cancelled out. So it will be 0 is equal to 30. So 6y is equal to 30 and y is equal to 30 divided by 6. That is 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the value of y is 5. Another question that I will be doing is here 11x plus 1 is equal to 12 minus 4x. So we will move x to the left side and 1 to the right side. So 11x plus 4x is equal to 12 minus 1. So this will be 15x is equal to 12 minus 1 is 11. So x is equal to 11 divided by 15. So this will be the answer. Another example for linear equation is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 3x. So first we will move 3 to the right side. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 6x. Then 2x minus 1 is equal to 9. 9x. So 9 will move to the left side and minus 1 will move to the right side. So 2x minus 9x is equal to 1. So this will be minus 7x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 divided by minus 7. So minus 1 over 7. So this is the final answer for 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 3x. So this is the value of x minus 1 divided by 7. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.